Silky, ultra-chocolaty, and incredibly indulgent, this double dark chocolate ice cream is rich and satisfying without heavy cream, milk, or eggs. Made with soy milk as the base, it's enhanced with extra virgin olive oil, coconut sugar, and a splash of rum for remarkable depth and complexity of flavor. For the chocolate chips, I use 63% dark chocolate, which adds another delicious layer of texture and rich chocolate flavor. If you prefer a more intense chocolate experience, simply use chocolate with a higher cacao percentage. Created especially for true chocolate lovers, this plant-based ice cream is as creamy and decadent as the classic version. Give it a try! Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan double dark chocolate ice cream. Place the ice cream maker bowl in the freezer for at least 24 hours to ensure it's completely frozen. Similarly, place the container for the finished ice cream in the freezer so that the ice cream won't melt quickly. If the cocoa powder has big lumps, sift it first. In a saucepan, combine soy milk, extra virgin olive oil, coconut sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, and vanilla paste. You can substitute the soy milk with other plant-based milk, but make sure to use 100% plant-based milk without any additives such as sugar, salt, oil, and gums. You can also substitute the extra virgin olive oil with other types of oil, but I personally prefer extra virgin olive oil for the health benefits. Make sure to choose the one that has neutral smell and taste. Over medium-low heat, keep stirring the mixture until it starts to simmer lightly. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens slightly for about 2 minutes. Remove from the heat. Strain the mixture through a sieve. Add the rum and mix well. You can also omit the rum if you're avoiding alcohol. Over ice bath, chill the mixture while stirring occasionally. Cool it down to 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Meanwhile, slowly melt the dark chocolate and extra virgin olive oil in the microwave. Make sure to check the chocolate every 10 seconds or so to prevent the chocolate from getting burnt. Combine the mixture well until smooth and cool it down. Pour the mixture into the ice cream maker bowl. Turn on the ice cream maker and let it run for about 20 minutes. Once the ice cream mixture becomes the soft serve consistency, drizzle the melted chocolate while the ice cream machine is running. For the chocolate chips, you can use chocolate with different cacao percentage. By adding the extra virgin olive oil, The chocolate becomes less hard and easier to melt in your mouth. However, you can also omit the oil. Pour the ice cream into a frozen container. Freeze it for at least 6 hours to overnight. This ice cream can be kept in a freezer for up to a few months. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan double dark chocolate ice cream and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.